Let's go to the Cambly app first. As you can see, there are two options available. First one is practice English. If I click on this, you will directly connect it to the available tutor. And second option is schedule lesson. Now I am clicking on this. You can see all the available tutors. Now I am selecting this first one. I'm already selected this first one for a favorite tutor. So this will saved in this will saved in favorite tutor list. You will see the first one is profile video. They have a little introduction about them. Next one is practice English. If I click on this, you will directly connected with the tutor. Next one is message. You can message them about your problems and doubts also. If I select this notify me when this tutor is online, then you will get notified. Here you can see other options also. What tutors language speak, their specialties, interest, education. You can also reserve them by clicking on this below dates. If I select this first one, I think this is not selected. I think she is not available for this date. Now I am selecting on this make a reservation. You can select duration. I am selecting this for 15 minutes because I have already subscribed for 15 minutes. I can't select for 30 minutes. Now I am selecting date and time also. If I select on next, then you will get reservation for that tutor. Then go back to the home tab. Next option is subscribe. As you can see, my current subscription is for 15 minutes, 3 days per week for a month, and it ends on June 6, 2020. They also offer me 120 minutes for 2959 rupees, and here you can see they also gave me offer rule 20 for quarterly and yearly also. This is selected for quarterly, then I will get 15 minutes for 3 months in 7137. And actually I have already subscribed for 1 month. I think they have included my remaining packages also in this. Now let's go back to the home tab. Next one is message. You can see all the tutors that I have sent message to them about my doubts. Cambly also provides free minutes. If you write a review on Google Play Store, they gave me 15 minutes extra for once. Now go back to the home tab. Now go to the free minutes. You can share Cambly app through Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram also. If your friends install this app via this link, then you will also get free minutes. There are many other options available for free minutes. Now I'm selecting on the favorite tutors. As early I select on hardship, all the tutors selected in this list, I have saved them here, and I can talk to them later. These are all of my favorite tutors list. Next one is referral code. If Cambly share any referral code, then you can use here for free minutes. There are many other options available for free minutes also. Next one is reservation. I have already show you about reservation. Now I am selecting on the create new reservation. Selecting for free 15 minutes. Choose a date. You can choose date and time. Okay, click on next. You can see all the available tutors. Select any tutors. I'm selecting this first one. Click on reserve. Then you will get reservation for that date. Now let's go back. Next one is history. Here are all your conversations saved, so you can also watch them later and practice. You can also download these videos from PC. There is one options available in PC is progress. You can go to the progress and download this video and share with your friends, and also share on YouTube also. Next one is help. If you have any other issues related to the app, then you can search here. And there are then you can search here, go through